From the Gabobosep and surrounds Namibia, Brandberg quartz, in this case super clear and milky all combined. Just loved the form of this guy, very elegant. Just take it a bit down there, but too much light coming from the top. A pretty perfect, lovely Brandberg quartz crystal. Clear crystal, just a plain clear quartz crystal. Don't see any color in this particular one, and of course these little internal cavities give these guys this amazing bling bling. All the way from the Gabobosep and surrounds Namibia, Brandberg quartz. Size-wise here we're looking at maybe just an inch and a half or so, bottom to top. A lovely display piece, of course wouldn't stand on its own, does need to be mounted. Clear quartz from the Gabobosep and surrounds Namibia, the Brandberg quartz. Special qualities to these guys and a special magic to these crystals.